Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I'm going to be recreating the one and only Lala Anthony's pictures. For those of you who don't know who that is, she is a fashion icon, and I'm going to be trying to recreate her pictures I've seen on her Instagram and online. She's also an actress. She's played in Power, Empire, and Two Can't Play That Game. She is gorgeous, drop down gorgeous. So I wanted to recreate some of her pictures. I've gotten a couple people actually come up to me and tell me or let me know in my some pictures I posted that I look like Lala. I personally don't see it myself, but I've heard it from a couple people that I look like her. So I'm going to try my best to attempt to recreate some of her pictures. Some pictures won't look 100% the same because I am not in the same scenery as she is, but I try my best. And yeah, and I'll show you guys how I create those pictures. So this is what the first picture looks like that I'm going to be recreating. She's wearing a tank top. I'm wearing a tube top that goes around my neck instead. Only reason I'm wearing this one because it's a low V, like her shirt she was wearing. So I'm wearing this with some black jeans, and I don't really have a belt that is like 100% like hers, but you know, we gonna make it work. So about to show you this look and how it turns out. So I'm not 100% satisfied with the way this picture came out, only because my belt does not match like at all. Like it does not look anything like the belt Lala had on, but I tried my best so I get an A for effort. You know, I tried. Yeah, that's it for that look. It wasn't, you know, 100% the same. My stance was a little off, not slim thick like, you know, she is. I'm, you know, more on the slim side, not slim thick, but we getting there, you know, all about these gains this summer. But I actually really tried for this one, but you know, guys, you gotta work with me. I'm trying my best here, okay? So you guys tell me what you think. Tell me how I did with recreating that photo. Now on to the next, so I can show you guys how I recreate that picture. So for her stairwell picture I just recreated, it was a little hard only because my heels were not the same as hers. Mine were chunky than hers. Also, the scenery was not the same, as you can tell. I don't have that little cage thing going on where she was like putting her hand on. I just had a brick wall because I am an apartment complex. I don't have fancy, you know, scenery like that. Mine looks basic. So that's what mine looked like. I already took off my red lipstick. That's why my lips look like crazy pink right now. But yeah, that was that look. I think that one went pretty well. I would rate that one like an 8 out of 10, only because it wasn't the same scenery and not the same shoes, but you know, give or take, it was alright. I think it was alright. I wonder, you know, let me know what you guys think. I would love to know. But yeah, so on to my next look. So for the next picture I'm about to do, I know my face is like a little clownish right now. I'm not saying she looks like a clown, but like the picture I'm recreating, I can tell is from like early 2000s, you know, bright pink lipstick, lots of blush. Like I'm wearing hella blush right now, but that's what she was wearing in her picture. I don't have green eyes like Lala, you know, can't all be perfect like her, but she was wearing like a smoky eye. So for my smoky eye, I decided to use some greens in there to like, you know, make up for the fact that I don't have green eyes. So I put on green, like a little green smoky eye type thing, got my pink lipstick on, my bright blush, very bright. I don't know, you know. This look looked good on her, but on me, I look like a clown. The dress is a little different. This is the only cheetah dress or top that I had. So this is what mine looks like. Hers is like cheetah all the way up to her neck. You know, it's all cheated out, and mine is, but it's just like, you know, a tank top. This was actually the hardest look I had to recreate, only because the makeup was a little, you know, it's a little extra. Not the type of extra I would wear, but it's a little extra. And then yeah, my outfit just didn't match, and you know, I don't have bright green eyes like she does. So this is the one that was a little off, but I'm gonna show you guys, you know, what those look like and how I attempted to recreate her picture. So the next look I'm about to do, Lala is laid on a white couch. I do not have a white couch, so my picture is gonna look a little different. I'll show you guys what that looks like in a second, but mine did look a little different. My black boots do not have that little opening like hers do at the bottom, or like, you know, the bottom of her foot. Mine were just, you know, regular old booties, black booties. I did pair this top with some black jeans and my booties, and I tried, you know, my best to recreate this picture. It's kind of not the same because of the couch and then the shoes, but I tried my best. Wasn't the best recreation picture, but it is what it is, and I hope you guys like it. I personally would rate this one about like a 5 or 6 out of 10, only because it like wasn't 100% the same. But tell me guys what you guys think. Well, that's it for this recreation video. Tell me guys what you think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know in the future if I should do some more of these type of videos. Just let me know what you think. Comments, you know, all the good stuff. But thank you so much for watching. Like I said, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace.